The packing strapping is tied around the box, and the two ends of the packing strapping are respectively snapped into the two ends of the buckle. Place the lower packing strapping under the lower tooth plate in the cutter body, and slide the upper packing strapping tie into the cutter groove and the spindle groove. While holding the tool with your left hand, push and pull the handle back and forth with your right hand until the packing strapping is tight. Press down on the handle of the tool with your right hand, and after cutting off the strapping, press the handle tool firmly to the right to remove it. Packing is complete.